Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Lake Union Wellness. Today I want to give you a little tour of our office and explain a little bit about what it is that we do. So right now you're in our reception area. Here when you arrive, you will meet Kyle and Sierra, our friendly and competent reception staff, and there they will explain to you what your visit's going to look like. Next to the reception is our reception waiting area. Here you can sit comfortably, fill out paperwork, and wait for your massage therapist to arrive to pick you up. Now, on the other side, you have our rehab area. Here we have our rehab tools specially designed to help improve your posture as well as restore the proper curve of your spine, which we will discuss. So continuing on further, on the other side, we have our cervical rehab area where we help improve the neck spine. And here we can improve your posture and get you feeling better. Continuing on, we have our chiropractic adjusting area. We have 3 tables where our chiropractors will help utilize to improve your posture, work on adjusting your spine to reduce the stress in that area. Behind that, we have our rehab exercise and stretching area. Here we can use specialized tools, we can use blocks, straps, vibration tools to help improve your posture and stretch those muscles out. On the other side, we have our exam room. Here in our exam room, this is where we work on your posture. We help evaluate through orthopedic testing and help you figure out exactly what it is that we need to do to get you feeling better. After we do that, we go over to our report room. And so here in our report room, we go over the details of what we found out in the exam room. So this is where we put together a customized plan for you. Working further on, we have 3 massage rooms. So here we have competent, excited, very skilled massage therapists that can do deep tissue massage, cupping, CBD oil massage, or even kinesio taping if you'd like. Continuing on, here we have finally our x-ray room. This is where we figure out structurally what's going on with you. So in the x-ray, we have to figure out where you are and how will we get you feeling back towards ideal. And this is what we have here. So in order to figure out what we need to do so you feel 100%, what we have to do is do an exam, do a set of x-rays, give us 24 hours to figure out exactly what's going on for you so we can put together a customized plan of attack, courtesy and detailed for you. So if you have any neck pain, back pain, headaches, discomfort, anything, postural stress, we're the office for you. In order to figure out if we're the right fit, we can set up a virtual consultation or in-person consultation. All you need to do is give us a call at 206-749-5253 or lakeunionwellness.com and check us out.